Whatever happened to Ash Jeeves?
Med kit on the house, motherfucker!
There's a guy stuck in this thing. How did he get in there? Look at this.
Hey, wake up. We're losing turf.
There's a guy in that thing. There's two in there.
I got this guy!
Payback's a bitch!
How did they get in there?
Let's get that.
What? I get. Oh, is he dead? You got him. You got him. He's shooting back at us. Is it? Can you get on top and get in?
They got tear gas!
Oh, jeez.
Yo, man, that's tear gas! I can't see anything! Get back!
Oh, tear gas. Please stop. Please. You haven't lived until you've got 1 million assist counts as kills. How is that guy still alive in there? I'm blown away by this. How did he get in there? Really? Was he in there when the thing fell? He's been in there since the beta. Wow. He was a minute ago. Let's see. Yep. He just killed me. He just killed me. And he can see everything in there. What? I'm blown away. This is cool as a, come on. There's two guys in there and they have a med pack. Which one is it? Is it it's this one up here. There's two blue ones. Okay.
Here comes the grenade, sucker! Got one man!
I'm surprised that he had he shot me.
Watch out, cop car!
I'm so impressed with his shooting. He shot me from right here. I even spotted him.
Make it right there!
Oh, they got him. Oh, that guy shot him.
Oh yeah, Buzzel, I got you! Stop right there! I'm hit! I
Oh,
need
shoot
to
me,
make
shoot
it.
me, shoot me.
You okay?
Our guy's down! Yo, hit cement!
I got him. I killed him. Yeah. Oh, his buddy killed me. There's, yeah, the end of the train where the wheels are, the glitch spot, I guess. I wonder if they can cap from there. No, it's too far away.
Oh, you're a funny motherfucker, huh? Yeah, go fuck yourself!
No, still in there.
We lost control of our territory.
You can spot them.
You and me!
Oh, I got one. He got me. Oh. Oh.
Help me get this guy!
Frag grenade!
We're... So you're cooking them?
Medkit out.
All right, I'll be Molotov. I'll be ammo guy. Oh, I got a red hit marker. No. Oh, kill assist. I got an assist on that. Oh, so he's got a spawn bacon in there.
News, gentlemen. We lost
He does. I just saw it. So I need to be enforcer? Okay. Alright, I'm enforcer.
All right, let's get that area secure.
Or is this the... I put one up there. I'm an idiot. Okay, sorry. There's one. Oh, he got me! I missed. I'm not an enforcer. I forgot. No. Oh, yeah, it was. You're right. Can you get in? I tried to get in.
Here comes the grenade, motherfucker!
What? Oh, really? I shot the guy point blank laying down with a shotgun. No wonder nobody uses shotguns in this stupid game.
We just lost some territory.
How many Who uses a shotgun in this game? Because you shouldn't. You should never use a shotgun in this game. That is unbelievable. I point blanked a guy. Twice now.
Ammo dropped!
Yeah, but you're dead.
Have a grenade, punk!
Yo, we got a transport chopper.
Still in there, by the way.
You okay? Oh, God damn it, man down!
Got him over here.
Not me, I got ammo.
We fucking got it.
God damn, like, put up on him!
I've got this guy.
How did they get back in there?
I got you, fool! Hey, who needs ammo?
Fucking get him off me.
I'm not supposed to throw it? Oh. They're still in there. Oh, there's a whole team in there. You know, we're doing all this, watching them glitch, mess around. We're still winning.
Hey, come over here.
Grenade! Go, go, go!
Transport chopper.
Here goes the fireball. This guy's not going in. Oh, I got a grenade over here.
I just got a hit marker. And an assist. Oh, I got ran over by a mobile command post. I'm pretty... You sure it didn't, or...? I want to know how he got back in there.
God damn, I need a med kit.
Yeah, but how?
They took our territory.
I mean, no, he had to...
Some of this.
I got him. He had to bake it in there, though.
Go, Bravo, light him up.
Oh, he got me. Dang it. I can't tell. You know how you can't tell. Just see blank. But that's where they're shooting me from. The only place that they've killed me is that spot right there. And I can only spot them. Oh. So you can't, they can't shoot in and out right there.
Hey, take this ammo. Take this.
Nice body came out. That doesn't mean he came out. He just showed. Oh, I gotta go to bed. Is this game not over yet? How do you have all those kills? Yeah, at least it's not like a one-sided glitch, right? It is one-sided because they can see us, but we can't see them.
Guy over by the tram bridge.
I got you now.
Get over there.
Oh, there's two right on the outside of it. I think they're glitching each other in. No. I don't know. I can't tell. I mean, they're baconed up, so.
Just got kicked off our turf.
This guy's not going anywhere. Here goes the grenade! Give me a fucking hand over here!
They can only shoot you through that one spot, though.
Guy right here!
I figured that out for sure.
Right here!
We need to take that spot. Got a cop over at the logistics center. No, the cops are gone. We just gotta hold on. Yo, good job locking it down, boys. Hey, over at the logistics center. Hey, there's a command truck over here.
Fucking med kit!
Oh, it was a command truck. Me neither.
Looks like a clown truck. What you gonna do now? Who needs ammo?
That's a crazy glitch. I just want to know how the first person got in there.
Kill those motherfuckers.
Hey, we're by the tram bridge.
This guy's not going anywhere.
Yo, got one. He's down.
I think it's a bot. Oh my gosh, she's shooting me through the thing. He was just shooting at me. Yeah. Like he
Whoa! Didn't see that coming. Shake it off.
I saw that. You think that's because of where the bacon is?
Took that motherfucker out.
We got another guy.
I can't fucking move.
Guy suppressed over here.
Looking at a cop.
It's spotted.
One of our guys.
We got a guy down.
You go knock that down.
Oh, he got me. He's standing on the corner. He got me. Dang. You know, he's got the glitch, but he's not doing very well on the scoreboard. He's 24 and 16. I mean, it's not great.
Bad kid here.
God damn it, man down.
Transport chopper right here.
God, fuck.
This is totally fucked.
Fucking guys is down. Next fire. Drop the med kit. Wake up, chopper.
Let's get these fuckers.
The only question is how they got in there. Other than that, it doesn't matter. And without the bacon, yeah, it's just right. Without the bacon, can they stay in there? Like, could they do it again? Could they replicate it?
Got a camera right there.
16 and 16 with the glitch taking up 3/4 of the game.